Okay, so I want to do final video for today, 19th of July 2015. As we were saying, we have this is the Euro US dollar daily chart. We have a 1 2 3 4 5 extended wave 5. Then we have here a leading diagonal 1 2 3 4 5 making A. We want to look at this move here in a shorter time frame, 4 hour. This is the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. What we have here is we completed the impulse here, making the primary wave 1, then leading diagonal 1 2 3 4 5, making an A. So we are now in a B wave. So these levels that you can see here are the ones where I was still considering that the B wave was going to be a triangle. So this is an impulse here. This fall here is A, B, then this another impulse. So impulse wave, 3 wave move, impulse wave, making an A. That's why I'm saying that we should be having a flat correction. A flat is considered a 3-3-5 move, because this one is now going to be ABC, making 3, a triangle here, which is also called a 3, then a 5 wave move here. Okay, so we have this one with A. Our triangle, the way I see it now, is going to be A, B, C, D, which means that we should be removing these levels here, moving this, so that we are going to have something like this: A, B, C, D, E. The B is going to be somewhere here, and remove these ones for the time being. Okay, and C, expect to be down somewhere there. So this one is put this trend lines to delineate our triangle A, B, C, D, E. And also here. So we have A, triangle B, A, B, C, D, E, B. Then now I expect that we are falling in a C wave. Okay. So this C wave, since we have here a leading diagonal, usually a leading diagonal is retraced up to 78.6%. The B wave, well, because this one, because it's a 5 wave move, it can also be wave 1, wave 2 can retrace 78.6%, or wave B in our case here, and we can use the Fibonacci retracement here, put it there, come to the top here. So our 78.6% retracement is this one, 1.0685. That's where I put this blue line. Okay, 61.8% retracement is also here, 1.0849, but we can see that it is basically being overtaken. So we can also expect a relationship between this wave A and this wave C, and we use our Fibonacci tool here, put it there up to the end of wave A. This other part is put where the triangle ends, and that we put here, because this is the part that we expect that the triangle has ended in. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, triangle has ended here, 1.1062, and we expect a Fibonacci relationship between this wave A, small wave A, and this wave C. and we can see here we have the 50% retracement level will give us 1.0748, and the 61.8%, that means that 61.8 the level is 1.0670. The 61.8%, it means that this move here from the end of the triangle here up to this point here, that is about 404 pips, is 61.8% of this move from the start of wave A. That one up to here, 677. If you do that math, it will come out that way. So the most important thing with this Fibonacci tool here is that we have now a Fibonacci cluster zone, because this 1.0670 was also the 78.6% retracement of this A wave. So at the moment I'm waiting for that level to be hit, so that's where I expect that Euro-US dollar should move to, then turn up. So going forward, what we expect is that Euro-US dollar should move after this 1.0670 or slightly lower, then move back up above this B wave, this one here, 1.1068 in an impulse wave. Then when we have that, we will be able now to go long. Another way to go long is to, as you wait for it to come here, you can put your stop, you can enter as Euro-US dollar drops to this level, but your stop is now going to be this way. Okay, so you can choose the risk that you want. I prefer that it drops to this level, rises here, takes out this B wave, then comes back down in 3 waves, then continues rising. That means that when I enter a position, once we have 5, then 3, my stop loss is going to be at where the end of that C wave is going to be. That stop loss level is going to be much better than having one down here. Okay, thank you.